Just as a puppet moves its limbs under the inspiration of its master, in the same way, all these living entities perform various movements with the help of their limbs, etc., under the inspiration of the God. The living being is not free, is under the control of God, like a bird tied to a string. Neither is he independent on others because he is tied in the bondage of karma, through which the omnipresent God makes the living beings perform the rituals that yield good and bad results as per their free will and destiny.